Here we have a 2002 Dakota just came in, 4.7 with 120,000 miles. We're going to listen to the engine run on this, make sure everything looks okay, sounds okay. We can't let it run real long because the belt is off the engine. We don't want to overheat it or anything. But let's take a look here. Starts right up. Mileage here for you. The 120, 661's the mileage. Sounds real nice and smooth here. We'll make sure, let's take a look at the exhaust here, make sure we don't have any smoke coming out here. Looks like the previous owner was a big fan of Bush beer. Exhaust here, a little steam early in the morning here, it's cool out. Definitely not smoking a bit. And there's a shot. Let's listen to the motor here one more time from up front. Sounds good. Go ahead and start her off before it starts getting hot here.